Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. So today is Saturday, it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I just got back from Walmart. Adam is at the movies with Connor. They're seeing, what is that called? Endgame? I don't know, the new Avengers movie. Kira's upstairs getting ready for a sleepover, so I'm actually by myself for once. But today I went to Walmart, and if you've been watching my channel, you know that last month in April I did a pantry challenge, or a pantry and freezer challenge, and really my goal with that was not to be super strict about it, but basically I just wanted to use up some of the food in my freezer and pantry and plan my meals around what I had. So that was kind of the goal with that. I ended up spending around $400 that month for groceries, although I did spend a little bit more at Costco one week. I didn't count that because honestly I only get to Costco like once every 2 months, and so I sort of consider that coming out of a separate budget, if that makes sense. And I was there, and even though it was April, I wanted to take advantage and buy some bacon and stuff, but I digress. So I have a kind of a larger haul today, but what I'm going to do is split it up into 2 parts. So in this video, I'm just going to show you what I got to make for our family this week for meals and meal prep and lunches and dinners and stuff like that. Tomorrow we are actually having our Easter dinner, our family dinner here at my house, and I'm actually going to film a separate video on that, so like more of a holiday shop, cook, plan with me, etc. So that will be in a separate video, but what I'm going to show you in this is just our regular groceries for the week. So let me split everything out and we'll get started. All right, so here's a look at everything I got for our groceries for the week. If I had to guess, I obviously didn't split this out by price with the stuff that I got for our holiday meal. If I had to guess, I would guess this was probably around $150, $160. So I got some romaine lettuce. This actually looked really good, and I always like to cut and wash my own, so I grabbed one of those. I got a package of green onions. I think I'm gonna make some of those Instant Pot egg bites this week for like breakfast meal prep, so I definitely wanted these to put in with those. I like to do them with like ham and cheddar cheese and green onion. I got a bag of Gala apples. Connor loves to eat these cut up with peanut butter or just snack on them throughout the week for breakfasts and lunches. I did get a container of strawberries. I think these were around $4.50. They didn't look too bad, and my kids totally love strawberries and eat them all the time, so even if it was a little bit more, I was willing to pay it. I got a package of baby carrots. I'm gonna do pot roast one night, and so usually when I make that, I do honey butter carrots. So I just like boil them in a skillet until they're tender, and then I add butter, salt, pepper, and a little bit of honey. I grabbed some bananas, and then also picked up a replacement for my garlic paste. This was running low, and I typically like to use this instead of chopping up my own garlic just because it's easier, but that's just a shortcut. Some people ask me where I find this, and it's actually in the produce section at Walmart. I grabbed 2 peppers, 1 red, 1 green for snacking and salads, and then 1 head of iceberg lettuce just for walking tacos later this week. Kira's actually going to have a sleepover next weekend for her birthday party, and she requested that I make walking tacos, and so rather than buy a bag of shredded lettuce and keep it in the fridge all week when it'll probably go bad, I just decided to buy the whole head, and then I will chop it up prior to her party. I got a package of cherry tomatoes for salads and snacking, 4 lemons. Usually I like to buy my bagged lemons at Aldi, but I didn't go there this week because there were things I needed from Walmart, and it was just one of those days where I didn't want to go to multiple stores. So I did get, these were 58 cents each. If you buy a bag of lemons at Walmart, it's like $5, which is ridiculous. I got a bag of shredded mozzarella cheese. This is for a recipe I'm making this week. I also got some sharp cheddar cheese sticks. We always keep those in the fridge for snacking, and then also some shredded Monterey Jack cheese for a recipe. I grabbed some turkey pepperoni for snacking and for a recipe, and then some sliced provolone. I got 18 eggs because we were totally out of those, and then I got the kids their Fairlife chocolate milk. This is high protein, reduced sugar chocolate milk, and usually the kids like to have just like a half a cup of this with their breakfast. I grabbed my Ocean Spray Ruby Red grapefruit juice. I love this in the morning. I just have like a small glass of it, usually while I'm getting ready to go to work. This actually I probably should have put in the other pile, but this is Snapple Kiwi Strawberry, and I wanted an option for tomorrow at Easter dinner that the kids could have, you know, something other than soda, and so I got that for them. This was only like $1.75. I got some whole milk. Normally I buy 2%, but there was a recipe that called for whole milk, and so I went ahead and got that this week. I also got some orange juice. We like to keep that in the fridge, mostly for breakfast on the weekends. And then I picked up some more half and half for my coffee. I got some of this Castlewood smoked honey turkey breast. This will just be for sandwiches for us and the kids throughout the week. This is really good, and my Walmart started carrying this a little while ago, and I really like it. It's good lunch meat. I got some smoked ham. This is the Hormel Natural Choice. This can be for sandwiches or breakfast sandwiches, and then also I like to chop this up into little pieces and put it in my egg bites for breakfast prep. Kira actually put these in the cart. She went with me today. She likes these pepperoni antipasto or antipasti, I guess, panino. So it's just a mozzarella cheese stick with pepperoni wrapped around it. I buy these every so often. It's definitely not something I buy every week because they're a little bit pricey, but she does like them, so I let her get those. There was one recipe that I needed some Parmesan cheese for, and so my Walmart had this Bella Rosa shaved Parmesan, so I thought I would try that. I did get a couple of pork chops. I'm going to do these for a meal prep this week. And then I also got some puff pastry. This is for a kind of like a pizza pocket recipe that I'm going to make for dinner this week, so I'll share that in a little bit when I show you guys the meal plan. We were out of just dill pickle chips for burgers in the fridge, so I got a replacement on those. And also we've been out of yellow mustard for like a week, and Connor has been complaining very loudly because he loves mustard, so I went ahead and got a replacement of that. I got some beef broth. That is for pot roast. 2 cans of SpaghettiOs with meatballs, just for a quick lunch for the kids. And then I also got some Kraft mac and cheese, the Easy Mac. We sometimes keep this in the pantry and we're out of it, so I decided to grab another one of those. I got some frozen green beans. This is the Great Value brand. These will be for a side with dinner one night. And then I also got a bag of the Great Value chicken nuggets. Normally I get the chicken nuggets from Costco, but I decided we'd try these. They're just regular old chicken nuggets, so I'll put those in the deep freeze out in the garage. I got 2 bags of shrimp. These are for a recipe that I'm planning on making. It's a stuffed seafood shells. So I'll be filming that in a separate video, but I needed 1 pound and these only came in 12-ounce packages, so I'll have a little extra, but that's fine. I grabbed a can of black olives just to have it in the pantry for snacking, and then Adam likes these Bang energy drinks. I don't like drinking energy drinks because I don't want to have a cardiac arrest, but he likes them, and so far he's been fine, so I guess we'll see. Okay, so I got some corned beef hash. I buy this once in a while, and Kira discovered that she liked this last week when we had it for breakfast on the weekend, so I got a replacement of that. I got some mayo just to replace a jar in the fridge that's almost out. Okay, so I grabbed some chicken and a biscuit crackers. Adam really likes these, and I saw the Easy Cheese in the cracker aisle, and I was like, you know what, I haven't bought this since I was in college. Like, it's been a super long time, and that is delicious on chicken and a biscuit. No, it is not healthy, but we'll keep that in the pantry for a snack. I grabbed these for the kids. These are the Jif Power Ups, the strawberry. So they kind of taste like granola with peanut butter and jelly. They're actually really good.
Isn't that jelly?
No, I know, but the strawberry makes it taste like jelly. Okay, whatever. Kira picked this out. She likes the Hamburger Helper beef stroganoff, so I don't have a plan for this, but we'll keep it in the pantry. I grabbed another loaf of bread. This is always the bread that I like to buy for sandwiches. It's the Sara Lee honey wheat. I was almost out of aluminum foil, so I got some Reynolds wrap. Okay, so I have a little bit of junk food just because Kira is having a sleepover this coming weekend, and I told her to pick out some chips and stuff. So the Doritos will be for the walking tacos. I actually got these just for us to have on hand for like if we do a quick supper of sandwiches and chips or something like that. These are really good. They taste exactly like the Ruffles cheddar and sour cream. And then for her sleepover, she picked out these Lay's Poppables white cheddar, barbecue Lay's, and Flamin' Hot Cheetos. And then she also picked out some Swedish fish, some Mike and Ike, and some Airheads. So please pray for me because there are going to be like 4 or 5 girls at my house, and it gets really loud. We did this last year and I regretted my choice instantly. But okay, so I forgot to say I got some applesauce. I just keep this in the fridge to throw in the kids' lunchbox or for like a quick side with dinner. I got some Prosecco. My Walmart doesn't really carry a whole lot of champagne, and I just like to have this on hand in case we want like mimosas on the weekend, so I grabbed that. Kira picked out some of the grape Capri Sun roaring water. This is the flavored water Capri Sun for their lunches this week. And then she also picked out this Hogwarts alumni hat. She's really into Harry Potter right now. And then she also picked out this t-shirt that says "Women Run Things, You're Welcome," which I thought was super cute. So that is what I got for our meals this week. Let me show you the meal plan. Okay, so tomorrow, like I said, we're going to be having Easter dinner, so that's really the only thing I have planned. We'll have plenty of leftovers to eat for supper later. Obviously, we're going to eat around noon, so that's really the only thing I need to plan for. Monday, I'm making a Pioneer Woman recipe. This is actually a freezer meal that I will be filming for a separate video. I can link the recipe down below. It's the ranch pizza pie. It's kind of like a big Hot Pocket, but you make it out of puff pastry. So looking forward to trying that, and then we'll have green beans on the side. Tuesday, I actually have Home Chef coming this week, so I thought this would be a good week to get Home Chef, and this isn't sponsored. I'm paying for it with my own money this week just because I thought that I needed a few quick meals, and I also like to get it because the kids really like helping me cook it. And usually anything that we get from them and they help cook, they eat, even if it's like something new. They just have fun doing it. If you guys want to check out Home Chef, I've made tons of videos about them before, but I'll have a link in the description box below. If you use that link, you can get $30 off your first box, which is about half off. And then even if you don't like it, you can cancel anytime. It's super easy. You can cancel it or hold your account right on the app. Okay, so now I just rambled on, but we're getting a chicken Alfredo with peas from them, which actually looks really good. And then with that, we'll have garlic bread and then probably like some fruit or veggies on the side. Wednesday, I'm just going to do a regular pot roast in the crock pot with potatoes and carrots. Usually we have bread and butter with that, but I didn't write that down. Thursday, we're doing another Home Chef meal. So this is the Sicilian chicken with green beans and then these like roasted tomatoes with cheese. So looking forward to trying that. And then Friday, we're actually having a pizza party here at our house with just family coming over for Kira's birthday. And then Saturday, she's having her sleepover. So I'm going to do walking tacos and cupcakes, which I haven't obviously got the cupcakes yet. And I'll probably have to pick up some more things for the walking tacos later in the week. But yeah, that is this week's grocery haul and meal plan. Let me know what you're cooking this week. I always love hearing your ideas, and I like it when you share because it gives me new ideas for dinner as well. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.